photographs today also and enjoy with the photographs. Okay. I am here to talk to you regarding photography. And before talking about photography, during this period of time, we are not able to meet in the class. So we have this kind of communication by which we can able to make you understand something about the subject photography. Basically, children, everyone wants to become a successful one in his or her life. I want to become a successful one. You must want to become a successful one. But success doesn't come until and unless you are taking risk. But you cannot take risk. You cannot take risk until and unless you are educated. But you cannot take risk without knowledge, without learning. That is why today I am here to tell you something about the photography by which you will able to gain some knowledge. Welcome children. Do you know what is essential today? Today it is very essential to know the things, to learn the things, and you should be make yourself skillful. Because if you have one skill in your hand, at least you will able to make yourself more interesting or more eligible than any other people. So that is why the school have so many activities and photography is one of it. CBSE is having the concept of art education and NCERT has having so many books. You can find out the photography books out there for all the classes, and these books for only this purpose that you will able to read and learn something about the activity and you will able to explore yourself. Today I am going to tell you about SLR camera. SLR is a fixed single lens reflex, though what we say, and it is single lens reflex camera. We say single lens reflex camera because by single lens only we are able to view the object, we are able to click the object. We do not have any separate type of lens or any separate type of arrangement. In fixed focus camera, what happens that if it is a fixed focus camera, you will find on the back side in the camera, it's a back cover, and this side the clicker is situated, and here there is a viewfinder. This is back cover. And it is viewfinder. It is clicker. This is viewfinder, this is clicker, and this part which is essential, that is you don't think that it is viewfinder. This is back cover of the camera. Okay, this is back cover of the camera. In your mobile phone, if you find, you will see there is no such kind of viewfinder. What is viewfinder there? If it is your mobile phone, whatever switch is there, as soon as you put on the camera, you will find this part arise in your mobile phone, front or back, whatever camera you are using, doesn't matter, but it used to come as preview of the object for clicking a picture. Why I am telling you these all things? Because the essential part of any camera for arrangement of an object before clicking is a viewfinder. It may in form of this kind of arrangement, is a kind of hole, or it may be a kind of screen. Anyway, you can get it. When you are getting it as a screen, the lens is working for this, and if you are getting in window, the lens is working for it. It doesn't have any separate or any other arrangement. Okay? Now, children, what is the matter? Why I am asking all these things? Because in fixed focus camera, the arrangement is different, though it is having viewfinder also. What's the viewfinder function? The function of a viewfinder is to find out the object before clicking. Okay. Now, in fixed focus camera, as I have told you, this viewfinder is there. In this viewfinder, the lens doesn't work. Why? The lens is situated at the middle of the camera. Okay? When it is situated at the middle of the camera, it is not possible to send the message to the viewfinder where it is situated. So for that, you will find in fixed focus camera there is an arrangement. By this arrangement only we are able to get the view of the object in the fixed focus camera. And this lens used to directly pass through the image, which is the reflection of the object as soon as the light gets or light falls on it. Okay. So now this is the arrangement, but in SLR camera this kind of arrangement is not there. What is the arrangement in SLR camera? In SLR camera the arrangement is something different. Now, let me tell you what is an arrangement for SLR camera. In SLR camera, as you know, you have seen this is a type of SLR camera, and in this type of SLR camera, this is a lens here. It may be bigger lens, it may be small lens, but the lens is situated here only. I have a clicker situated, and though all the parts which is required for it, it is situated within this area. But we are talking about the viewfinder. This side you will not find any kind of viewfinder in this type of camera. Okay, only the lens is there. That is why it is called single lens reflex camera. And in this single lens reflex camera, we used to pass the image through this lens and it goes inside and it performs the image. Now I am showing you a camera in which the lens, viewfinder, everything you will find. In this type of camera, see, this is the lens. There is no such arrangement for any kind of viewing. Okay. Now in this type of camera, the viewing is either here in this part where you can see by holding your camera like this, or sometimes the screen is visible where you can make it appear the image which is in front of the camera and you are able to see. But this is the best arrangement which is called viewfinder, as it is situated here only, and in this part you can get it. Now the function of this lens is to receive the light, and inside the camera, I cannot open this camera because this camera is SLR camera, inside film is situated and the film will become reacted if I open this, and you will not get any identified image. Okay. Now in this type of camera, when you are getting an image inside, direct through the lens, here on the film it is performing the image, but when it is going through it, how you are able to see here? Is it? That is why I need to tell you, in this type of camera, you will find that an arrangement has mirror inside it is there. The mirror used to send the message to the viewfinder, and the mirror function as a viewfinder before clicking and after clicking. During the time of your clicking, you cannot see on the viewfinder. Why you cannot see? Because the function of this lens is to allow the light inside the camera, and as soon as it reach inside the camera, what is happening? This reflection, it is blocked from this side. The reflection of this light which is coming through the lens, getting inside, and it is passing to the viewfinder which is situated at the top. But when you are clicking the picture by pressing this clicker, what is happening? This mirror is coming up. When this mirror is coming up, it is blocking the view of this viewfinder. When it is blocking the viewfinder's view, then what is happening? Directly the light is going inside and the... Now children, I am going to tell you about the tricks in photography, which is a brilliant idea. You can make nice picture by using this. You take a scissor, a bottle, plastic bottle obviously, and cut it from the top and back, both the side. So you take a bottle, cut it from the front and back, both the side, and it will become like this. Now keep your mobile camera or camera lens this way, and at the back side you put your subject this way. As soon as you will click, you will get this type of picture. Once, twice, you just try, you will get the picture this way. Now second trick, which is another idea. Now in this one, you have so many books, copies. You take a fair, nice book page which you can fold, and light should be there properly, because light is very important for this. You fold it, keep inside a pencil,
keep your mobile or camera this way. You put a distance, you click the picture, you will get it like this. Once, twice, thrice you try, you will get this kind of very nice picture in your own mobile or own camera, and you will.
My dear children, today I am going to tell you about a camera lens, but it is of a camera in which you can click a picture without detaching or attaching the lens. It is called fixed focus camera. Okay? It is a fixed focus camera. In fixed focus camera, if you click a picture, you cannot any picture from any distance. So you have to take a distance, and according to that you have to arrange yourself that how much you want. If you would like to click a picture of any object in closer, so you have to go nearer to that particular object. Okay.